Do you like one-pot meals?
The Boy Scouts do.
They're easy to prepare,
Fun to make, easy to clean up, and they taste great too. Beef pot roast.
To make this, you peel and slice 4 carrots,
Peel and slice 4 potatoes.
and you peel and slice 2 onions,
Pour 3 tablespoons vegetable oil into Dutch oven.
and you heat it to 350 degrees. Brown the roast in oil, turn to brown all sides.
Add vegetables.
Add a half cup of water.
Pour 2 cans cream of mushroom soup over the top.
Cover the roast at 300 degrees for 3 to 5 hours, depending on how well done you like it.
Serves about 8 people.
Your son can learn this, plus many other skills, in the Boy Scouts of America.